Xiaomi X20 Plus is a popular robot vacuum with a massive 6,000 pascal suction power. It vacuums fine dust and pet hair easily, and mops too with its dual rotating mop pads, but can't detect carpets automatically. Also, the robot returns to the station to re-wet the mop pads because it lacks an internal water tank. So, is it worth the money? In this video, we'll analyze Xiaomi X20 Plus on cleaning efficiency, ease of use, and smart features to find just that. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with cleaning efficiency. The Xiaomi X20 offers a powerful 6,000 pascal suction. In day-to-day use, the vacuum performs well on hard floors. Crumbs, pet hair, and common dust are picked up effectively, especially in strong mode. It also intelligently identifies and avoids low-lying objects using the LDS laser system. It deals with typical messes like flour or biscuit crumbs without much trouble. That said, some dirt can remain in deep floor cracks. One thing to note is the behavior of the side brush. It occasionally flicks debris outward, but the robot usually manages to pick it up on the next pass. On carpets and rugs, cleaning is solid for most surface dirt. However, fine particles like flour may need a second cleaning cycle to get everything out. The dual mop pads spin at 180 RPM to efficiently tackle coffee stains and other spills, making them perfect for cleaning floors in both the kitchen and living room. But since there's no internal water tank, the robot has to keep returning to its station to re-wet the pads. This interrupts the cleaning flow and extends the total time it takes to finish a mopping session. Next, let's come to ease of use and smart features. The vacuum is equipped with a powerful 5200 mAh battery that delivers up to 120 to 180 minutes of runtime in standard vacuum and mop mode. The all-in-one smart base even has a removable tray, so cleaning and maintenance are completely hassle-free. Its laser-based LDS navigation scans your entire home in 360 degrees. It builds detailed maps, remembers multiple floors, and lets you set no-go zones and specific cleaning areas right from the app. You can define restricted areas, set cleaning zones, or instruct the robot to avoid carpets and specific spaces entirely. The vacuum also supports voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant for total hands-free convenience. Coming to cons. The vacuum does not have a built-in carpet detection sensor, so you will need to manually mark carpeted areas in the app. Otherwise, there's a risk that the robot will accidentally drag its wet mopping pads over your carpets or rugs, potentially leaving them damp or stained. The vacuum can have trouble detecting very thin rugs when operating in Mop Plus vacuum mode. If you have such rugs, it's a good idea to either move them out of the way in the app to avoid damage. Additionally, the mopping system doesn't support the use of cleaning solutions. It relies solely on plain water, which may limit its ability to tackle stubborn stains or sticky messes. Next, let's talk about ease of maintenance. The multifunctional OmniStation comes with separate tanks for clean and dirty water. So the robot mops your floor with fresh water every time and collects the used water without any cross-contamination. After every mopping session, the robot returns to the base, where the mop pads are cleaned and then air-dried using a cool airstream. No heat, but totally sufficient to prevent odors and mildew. With a 4-liter clean water tank, it supports mopping up to 280 square meters before needing a refill. You can trigger the station's self-cleaning mode using the Xiaomi Home app, which flushes out water based on real-time cleaning progress. As for routine maintenance, just clean the filter, brushes, and tanks every 2 weeks. Replace the filter and side brush every 3 to 6 months, and the main brush every 6 to 12 months depending on use. Mop pads can last up to 1 to 3 months, but should be swapped out more often if used frequently. And don't forget the sensors. A quick wipe once a month keeps navigation accurate and obstacle detection sharp. Finally, let's talk about customer support. The vacuum comes with a standard 1-year limited warranty for the main unit, covering manufacturing defects under normal use. When it comes to customer service, experiences are quite mixed. Some users praise helpful support, others have run into frustrations, including long delays, so make sure to check the quality of Xiaomi's service in your region. With all said and done, is Xiaomi X20 Plus really worth it? The robot vac really stands out with its powerful 6,000 pascal suction, dual rotating mop pads, and a multifunctional base station that handles most of the dirty work for you. That said, the lack of a built-in water tank means it needs to return to the dock frequently while mopping, which can increase the total cleaning time. Thin rugs and scattered cables might give it a bit of trouble too. But overall, X20 Plus offers excellent value for users who want to automate both dry and wet cleaning. Have you used Xiaomi robot vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another useful cleaning guide, watch this next.